8. DIY spa at home. We enjoy spoiling ourselves. Study proves it. People are increasingly concentrating on experiences rather than particular things, which has resulted in a growing trend toward luxury purchasing in recent years. However, organizing a full spa day may be costly, and you'll typically have to reserve weeks in advance. Why not have one in the privacy and comfort of your own home? A soothing bath, a nice book, perhaps a cheeky glass of wine, or with a glow of candlelight in the backdrop. As a result, we've put together some helpful hints for you. Preparing your perfect home spa. We recommend doing a fast cleanup in both your bathroom and living room before you start. We know, but honestly, you'd be surprised at how much maximizing the space contributes to that relaxing feeling. You hear it all the time at work. A clean desk means a clean mind. It's the same way at home, too. Plus, after the area has been cleaned, you'll have even more room to improve the ambience with some lovely decorations. Lots of fresh, lush plants are perfect for this, since they provide a sense of tranquility and natural beauty. You may even turn one or two of your favorite vases into stunning centerpieces. The appearance and feel of your towels and linens may also make a big impact. The whiter and fluffier the better, and instead of folding them, roll them up to add to the luxury effect. A light with a dimmer switch, as well as a pair of speakers with a pre-programmed playlist of soothing music, can truly help you influence the ambience of the space. Finally, it's the small details that may elevate your spa experience to new heights. Perhaps a pitcher of flavored water, with lemon slices or fresh strawberries on hand. You may also make your bath frothy by using a good bubble bath and even an exfoliating mask. It's all about what helps you feel the most at ease. And here is where we get into the functional experience of your spa day at home. At-home facial. Skincare treatments are a staple of spas, but if done correctly, at-home facials may be just as beneficial. In fact, if you can't go to a spa or salon, using face masks on a weekly basis may actually assist to nourish and protect your skin. Your step-by-step guide to facials at home. Cleanse your face and take off any makeup. Remove any makeup, as well as any leftover grime and oil, from your face. Wet your face with warm water and gently massage in a foamy gel cleanser or face wash. It may be removed with a warm, moist towel, or by pouring water on your face. Apply a mask on your face. Face masks are meant to address certain skin conditions. It's important considering your skin type and picking a mask that will benefit you the most. The tonality. Toners clean and tighten pores that have opened up as a result of face treatments. Apply moisturizer. Apply a moisturizing moisturizer to finish your at-home facial. If you'd like to use a serum, apply it before moisturizing. To improve blood circulation and minimize puffiness, massage the moisturizer into the skin. A luxurious spa bath. A lengthy, pleasant bath should be part of every home spa treatment. Bathing cleans and moisturizes the skin, and studies have shown that taking a warm bath will help you breathe better and reduce your blood pressure. However, adding a scented bubble bath or bath bomb to your bath will transform it from ordinary to royal. Lavender and vanilla smells may assist to soothe the mind, as we've already discussed. Chamomile is another favorite bath time aroma with comparable benefits. When added to a bath, eucalyptus functions as a natural decongestant, which is beneficial if you're feeling under the weather. Bath salts relax the muscles and soothe the skin. Bath salts can be used with essential oils, such as lavender oil, to promote relaxation. Bring out the body scrub. When it comes to home spa treatments, we usually focus on our faces, but it's just as vital to nurture your body. Exfoliating body scrubs remove dead skin cells from the surface layer of the skin. We recommend using a body scrub once a week for softer skin from head to toe, paying special attention to tough areas like your knees and elbows. Body moisturizers and body butters function best after exfoliation, according to experts. Products may be absorbed more deeply into the skin when dead skin cells are eliminated, leaving it adequately nourished. Treat your feet. The feet are one aspect of the body that is frequently overlooked. Cracked heels are frequent, but they can be readily treated at home, and while you're doing it, take some time for yourself. Foot masks are meant to hydrate our hard-working feet by softening and removing dry skin. They work well and need little effort. They usually resemble socks, and you simply slip them on and relax for 20 minutes or so while they start to work. The peeling processes might take a few days, but the end result is baby soft feet. Look after your hands. While you're watching your favorite movie or TV show, why not get a hand massage at the same time? Hand massages are proven to relieve pain and stress, while also calming the mind. A nourishing hair mask at home. In between salon appointments, hair treatments at home can assist to restore and preserve hair. When you can't book an appointment, pamper your locks with a nourishing hair serum or hair mask, after washing and conditioning as usual. If you leave oil-infused masks and serums on overnight, they'll be even more effective. However, because thin hair is more readily bogged down by product, this works best on coarser hair types. Apply deep conditioning mask to your hair, if it really needs it. These are meant to moisturize and soften dry or damaged hair, while also boosting elasticity and restoring luster, which prevents split ends. Simply comb the mask through your hair before washing it off after 20 minutes. Light a candle. It's impossible to deny the sense of calm that comes with lighting a new candle. The aroma that embraces you as soon as you walk into a spa is part of the calming aspect of the experience, and your home should be no different. If you want a relaxing scent, look for candles with notes of lavender, chamomile, or sandalwood. They'll help you drift off to sleep right before bedtime, just like essential oils. If candles aren't your thing, a relaxing pillow spray or room spray would suffice. Create your own greenhouse. Getting a pet may be more responsibility than we can handle at the moment, but it may be a good compromise. It's a plant. Not only will they add life to your house, but you can also buy plants that can enhance your air quality by removing pollutants that can aggravate a range of conditions, such as asthma. A contented plant equals a contented existence. The best plants for improving indoor air quality are rubber plant, snake plant, areca palm, spider plant, and peace lily. Making time for yourself is crucial. A home spa day is the ideal way to relax and unwind, whether you've had a long week and need to recharge, or you're feeling a bit stressed and need to take a break. Introduce self-care aspects into your weekly routine, such as home spa treatments, to look after your health. These may easily be incorporated into other tasks as well, so you won't need to set up any more time. You may, for example, read a book while having a bath, or apply a face mask before snuggling up on the sofa to watch TV. The idea is make the most of your me time in your own style. Time to get spruced up for a spa day your way. Follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our blog.